Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. I'm giving the C7 here one last maintenance cleaning before sending it off to storage for the winter time. So I'll take you along for the ride, show you how I do it and exactly what I use. Every square inch of the vehicle inside and out is coated and protected. So the first thing I want to do is pull out the pressure washer and blow off any loose grit or dirt. Then I'll grab the Total Detailing Auto Surface Protection supplies here, and I'm going to do a maintenance wash. These products here are perfect because they have the perfect balance of being effective yet gentle for coated cars. I'll put a few ounces in the foam lance with warm water and foam up the car. This is exactly how I like the foam. So 2 ounces is perfect. You can add more if you like the thick shaving cream dry foam. I like a wetter foam so that it reaches in the corners, in between the gaps of the panels, and really starts to emulsify and lift that dirt. If you have it too thick, it's not going to be quite as effective. This here is exactly how I like it. After letting the foam sit there and dwell, I can usually get 5 or 6 minutes before it starts to dry. We're going to rinse it thoroughly and leave it go as long as you can. Even if it does start to dry in certain areas, the water will react to formula so you can rinse it free from the vehicle. Time for the contact wash. Let's set up the buckets. Drift is a pH-neutral car shampoo, safe on coatings. It's just a pleasure all around to work with. Plenty of suds, plenty of lubrication. I'm going to load up the car one more time with some suds from the foam cannon. That'll give me some extra lubrication and go to work right away on the contact wash. I'm going to hit the wheels, wheel wells, and calipers heavy with the foam. That's all I'm going to need. I'm not going to need a wheel cleaner. They are heavily coated, and I have the carbon ceramic brake package, so there's very little dust or dirt to tend with to begin with, mostly picked up from the roadways, so I'll just use the car soap, which is pH neutral. It's gentle. I'll agitate and rinse. Follow that with the 1 bucket 5-minute wash. Then I'll take my time and make sure I completely rinse all the shampoo residue. Time to dry, preferably forced air. Now it's time for KINETIC, and this is a polymer-based detailer. So this car is coated, and quarterly, or every 4 months, I'll use Extreme Solutions topper. In between that, for maintenance, I'm going to use the KINETIC. It's perfect. It's a great way to liven up the gloss and slickness on the surface in between quarterly maintenance toppings. Simply continue that all the way around the car. Can be used on all hard surfaces: headlights, taillights, plastic, wheels, trim, aluminum, stainless steel, absolutely everything. And when you're finished, sit back, relax, take a deep breath, and enjoy the results. We can now store it away for the wintertime and bring it out clean. Everybody does it a little bit differently, but that's how I like to take care of my maintenance cleanings, and that's what I like to use. I'll put a link down below for what you saw in the video. I'll catch you guys next time.